Guys, Custom RC Mods here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the DJI shoulder strap for the Mavic bag. So the shoulder strap is found on the inside of the bag when you first open it, and after you unwrap the paper you're going to see it looks just like this, nice and long. First, for the feature, there's a big adjustable piece, tensioner right here, so if you like to wear it up high, you're going to have this really close to the end where most of it is doubled over. If you like it, wear it a little bit looser like I do, then you're going to have it closer where there's less doubled over. So first thing that you need to do is unclip the two ends, and now you're going to see that one is the male end and one is the female end of this clip. So go ahead and adjust it for comfort once you get everything figured out, but for right now just choose one side to put it on the clip. And so we're going to tie a lark's head knot on this, which is basically just a loop over. So how this is done is you're going to thread it through the hole on both sides that you just created, and then put it back on itself. So I'll show you one more time with the other side. So you're going to thread it through the hole, or through the little clip right there, and then put the clip through just like that. So the next thing you're going to do is, of course, clip in your strap, and then come to the other side and clip the strap in. And there, your shoulder strap is finally on. And so when you're storing it, you can go ahead and just wrap it around your hand and kind of just slip it into one of the side pockets. It doesn't really bulge out too much, and then you can store each one of these little tails into its respective side pocket. So that's the DJI Mavic shoulder strap. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.